Hi there, in this video I'm going to cover JSON objects and arrays, and these are the two complex data types of JSON. So let us study about objects first. So in JSON, object is a collection of key value pair. So if you can see here in the example, this is a JSON object and it is a combination of key value pair. So if I see this first line, this is the key is name and the value is John Doe. In the second line, the key is age and the value is 30, like that. If you see in the third line, you see the key is address, but the value itself is again an object. Okay, so it can be like nested, so that is why it is called a complex data type. Okay, so let us do this example in here, and let me create one. So let's test it is valid or not. Okay, this is valid, and now this is an object, and let's create property one or key one. Let's call key one. Make it a string value. Okay, and then we will have key 2, and let's make it 100 a number. Key 3, and let's create an array. So array will be 1 2 3 4 like that. So let's test whether it's a valid or not. So here it is valid, and let's have one more, key 4, and the value should be another object, and this object should have name Rakesh Kumar, something like that. So let's check whether it's a valid. So this is a valid JSON, and here I have created an object. So this object will have 1 2 3 keys and 4 values. The fourth value is itself an object. Okay, so now let's go back to the array. So what is array? Array in JSON, array is an ordered collection of values. Okay, one more thing I would like to mention here, the values, see in object the keys are always strings. So if you see name, age, address, email, all are strings, but the values could be of any valid JSON data type. So the value could be string, value could be number, value could be an other object, value could be string. So here in array, the array is basically an ordered collection of values, first thing, and the second thing, all the values in an array should be a valid JSON data type. So let us create an array here. So let's create one array. Let's see validate JSON, it works. So 1 2 3, it works, and then a string comma null, that works. Again another array 1 2 3, it works. Undefined will not work, okay. And then another object with key value pair, name Rakesh. Okay, it works. So this is how an array can be declared in JSON. So I hope this video is clear to you.